Hey, my name is Chris Gregus, and I just wanted to come to you, aka Travel Bro, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the company Ibuumerang and why it's the business and the business model that you need to partner with. I wanted to talk about the three types of industries or jobs that we can have. One of them being, of course, a regular job, and then the second stream would be a traditional business. And then lastly, we want to talk about the network marketing opportunity. And we want to kind of compare that in the next few minutes with what is right for you and what is the best option. So let's talk first of all about the traditional job. Most of us have that. Most of us have had that. We understand the traditional job of being an employee. We're kind of raised with that mentality. And, the fact is there's a huge investment over many years, many decades. It used to be that we could work for 40 years and have a great retirement. But that's kind of the American dream's gone when we think about that. And so there's continual bills to pay. So one job might not be enough. Some of you might be working 2 jobs, 3 jobs. Both people in a relationship have to be working almost today to make any headway. And so there's long working hours for many years. Sometimes you have to put in 15 hours a day in 2 jobs, 3 jobs to be able to make ends meet or get ahead a little bit. There's little control over income increase. You're kind of stuck. I mean, unless your company decides to give you a raise, of course you can build value and maybe get a raise, but you're kind of it's out of your control. And then higher education is needed to win a lot of times. You won't get hired at a certain job unless you have a master's degree or at least a bachelor's degree or some experience. And so you got to jump through those hoops as well. And then work experience is needed and sought after, right? If you're new on a job or new in a field, you know what? Probably the 3 or 4 that just met with the owner is probably going to get, one of them's going to get the job because they're looking for somebody to plug and play. And so that's always a concern that we have. And then there's no real job security, right? There is no job security today. You could be a hero one day and a zero the next. You could be a stud one day and deemed as a dud the next day. And so there used to be job security to a point. There hardly is any today. And that's always a stressor on us. And then we need to do what we're told so we can keep our job. We're kind of, in many respects, involved in a slavish mentality as we serve in the marketplace in a job. If we don't toe the line and we don't do everything that the boss says, or maybe we get out of joint with him or get out of joint with your manager, you could lose your job. And then the probability to achieve your dreams with your efforts is very low. There's only so much you can do in a regular job. A ceiling really exists. And it's not just a gender ceiling that we face today, but it's a ceiling period that you can only go so far in a job. And that's why so many people leave their jobs and go somewhere else. And then time is not your own. I don't even have to talk about that. We check in and we check out. We don't get up in the morning because we're done sleeping. We get up because our alarm tells us to get up because we need to get to a job. And then our boss decides when to work and when we work. If they need us or, if we're not willing to work the hours they want us to work, then we're not going to either get the job or we're not going to stay at the job. And then vacation time is extremely limited. I don't know about you, but in a regular job, when you first start, maybe the first 5 years, you might get 1 week. And so keep that in mind. There's no real, there's no real freedom when it comes to vacation. And then lastly, linear income. That is, the money you make is only when you're working. Listen, if you and I in a traditional job get sick or get disabled, we're in real trouble. I mean, they're not going to keep sending the payment to us. We only gain money when we work for money. All right, and that's the traditional job or employee situation. And you know what? That's a good model, right? We don't want to say it's not a bad model. It's a good model. But let's talk about a better model, and that is traditional business or ownership. first of all, we need to say that there's a huge capital investment. The average traditional business owner, when they start, pays at least $65,000, and sometimes it can be $500,000 or $1 million to get started. So it's a huge capital investment. And then there's continual and substantial bills and fees to be paid to keep business going, right? There's overhead. There's all kinds of things that we need to spend to be able to keep the thing going. Advertising, working hard 6 days a week, 15, 16, 18 hours a day for a long time. You can't really hire a lot of people because you don't really know people or trust them. And so there's some long working hours for many years involved with that. And there's continual substantial bills and fees that, come out of the blue. And so if you have the money, that's fine. If you don't have the money, it's really can be a long journey. So the long working hours for many years is what you sign up on when you go into traditional business. And then there's a business acumen needed. I mean, there's businesses that go out of business not because they ran out of money, but because they didn't know how to manage money. They didn't have a business acumen. And so there's something to be said about that. There's something to be said when you're in charge of your own business. You've got to know what you're doing. And so often we hear about the fact that 90% of businesses go out in the first year, and a lot of that is because of skill set rather than money or lack of business. And then work experience in the field is not necessarily needed, and that's a positive thing. You can kind of do what you want if you want to open up a traditional business, but certainly it helps when you have some knowledge and some understanding. We know also in the traditional business there's no real job security. Just like the job, there's no job security. Certainly you can do your best and still not make it the first year. And you can do your best and still go out the third or the fifth year. Most businesses, it takes 5 years to really see if they're going to make it. And so there's no real job security. And then there's limited autonomy over what you want to do in the business, right? I mean, there's only so much you can do in the business. You've got to cater to the public. You've got to cater to your workers. You've got to cater to all kinds of people. And, there's limited autonomy for you to do what you want to do. You just can't take off for 3 weeks because you want to. You're responsible for this business, and you're responsible for its success. And then the probability of your dreams with your efforts are low to possible. A little bit better, a lot better probably than the regular job that a traditional employee has. But there's still some limits here because your dreams are often put off for a long time. And certainly they're put off for a real long time if you're not successful. So the traditional business model has that as its challenge. And then time is not your own most of the time, right? For those who have owned a traditional business, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, time is not your own. You've got to be there when you open. You've got to be at least engaged most nights when it closes and every time in between. And when you're away, you're thinking about your business. You're on call. You're hoping the people that you hired can run the show, but you're not even sure if that's going to happen. And then vacation time is somewhat limited as well. I mean, you get more vacation time as a traditional business owner than you would as an employee, but you're still limited. There's still not a whole lot you can do. And a lot of times, if you're not there, the business doesn't flow like it should. And so, when you go into business, you're always a little antsy. You always got one eye open. You're always thinking about what's going on at home. And so there's some limit there. And then most of your income is linear, okay? Now, you can have residual income, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. You can have some of that coming in where when you're not working, you're still making money, right? Your shop is still making money. So it's a lot better than an employee who, when he doesn't work, he doesn't get paid. You can get paid to a point having a traditional business even when you're not there. Now, that's the better model, right? The good model is work at 9 to 5 for 40 or 50 years. That's a good model. It's better than not working. It's better than being unemployed. It's better than being out of the workforce. And then the better model certainly is traditional business and ownership. But let's talk about the best model. What is the best model? Well, in my humble opinion, and in many people's humble opinion, and this is a $180 billion industry called the network marketing model, okay? The network marketing model. And I don't know what you've heard about network marketing. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I think. The model works. Now, are there a lot of clowns and goofballs and lies and leading people on in the business? Absolutely. It's just like there's bad doctors and there's bad restaurants and all the rest. But the model is strong and sound. Now, there are things that are broken in the model, okay? And Ibuumerang is an interesting model because Houghton Buggs, which is our CEO, I think he sat around with a bunch of guys over a period of time and looked at some of the broken things that were in multi-level marketing, network marketing, the direct sales industry, and they decided that they were going to right these wrongs. And boy, have we gotten off to a great start. As of this video, which is in early October of 2019, we are the 10th fastest growing new company in the world. Now think about that, okay? And we are humming along. We're in over 170 countries. But the network marketing business is a unique business. And I want to tell you why it's the best model, why you ought to not only consider it, but you need to hook up with someone, and hopefully it's with Ibuumerang. And that is, first of all, the network marketing business allows you to have little startup costs. I mean, most businesses will allow you to start the business for less than $2,000. And then there's continual but small fees to keep the business going. You don't have a lot of overhead like the traditional business. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to keep it going. A lot of money's not coming out of your pocket. We can gain money from other people's efforts, and we'll talk about that in a moment. 5 to 10 hours a week or more, you can work this business as a part-time business, and you can continue to work your full-time job for your living, and work on this job as a part-time basis and build your fortune. You have all of the control over your income. If your income is not what it needs to be in network marketing, you have control over it. You don't have to wait on somebody else. You don't have to hope that customers come. You can put the effort in. And then business acumen is not needed. Doesn't matter if you have a business background. It helps, but it doesn't matter. Work experience in the field, not needed or even questioned. Nobody cares what you've done in the past. Nobody really cares what you're doing in the future. It's a skill set. It's a hard work and determination. It's a business where you have a lot of room to grow and to strengthen your skills. And there's job security, right? The only one that will fire you is you, okay? So there's never a job security issue. There's complete autonomy over what you want to do and decide in business. You're the business owner, and you can do what you want to do. You can decide what you want to do. You can decide who should be in your business, who shouldn't be in your business. You can decide where you want to go, how fast you want to go. The probability to achieve your dreams with your efforts is high to probable. Okay? You have the lid of your growth. You alone. And if you want to make it successful, you can make it successful. You can learn the skills. You can get better. You can achieve more than you've ever dreamed by your own efforts and by the efforts of others. And then time freedom can be attained in a few short years, right? We're all looking for time freedom. We're all looking to be able to do what we want to do. We want to wake up in the morning when we're done sleeping, not when the alarm tells us to get up, right? And then vacation time is unlimited. Listen, with residual income, that means money coming in when you're not working, this is the only true way to do it, because, think about it, you can take off a week or 2 or 3 weeks, and by the efforts of yourself and by the past efforts of yourself and by the past and present efforts of others, you can have money streaming in. So residual income is a tremendous thing that all of us need to pursue. It's the only thing that's going to work for us, and that's why it's the best model. And so I want to encourage you to consider Ibuumerang, to consider this model, to consider getting in. We're on the ground floor, 10th fastest growing company in the world, new company, and I would love to partner with you. And so I'll have some information below on this video to reach out to me, but I would love to have you as a part of my business, and I'll help you get to the top. Have a great day.